Welcome back, Playmobil pals. We are taking a look at a new mini rig. Let's check it out. Welcome back, everyone, to another PlaymoAF unboxing and review. Today we are taking a look at set number 71859. This is the Playmobil Porsche Carrera GT mini rig. This is an officially licensed Porsche product, which is fantastic, and I can't wait to take it to work as I work with a lot of Porsches. The mini rig does come with this clicky here, and I'm pretty excited to be adding a new one to the collection because it's ever growing and I never have enough. The set does come with 25 pieces overall, and we're gonna see exactly what they all are very soon. I'm most excited about this one because this will be my first yellow car. All my other cars are green, blue, and red. One side of the box has the importer information, including the Porsche license information. The other side of the box has a top view of our Porsche Carrera. Here's the top, here's the bottom. The back of the box shows the rear of our Porsche, one of the working features of our car, and then lists the other mini rigs available in this wave. This one looks so cool, I almost hate to open it, but it's gonna look so great on my work desk.
Well, hello there, Playmo pals. While we're getting the package unboxed for this episode, I'm the clickety that came with the first mini rig we did of the Volkswagen van. Pretty solid, if you ask me. Now, back to the show.
The first thing out of the box is this little sticker sheet. It does have our license plate number, and then it has the Porsche Carrera GT label. The next thing out of the box is this little Playmobil Porsche insert. We do have our parts pieces and some other legal information. The first bag is a big one. It's going to include our clicky, our steering wheel, and our wheels. The second bag is going to have our tires. And the third bag is a smaller bag, but it looks to have our mirrors. These are a lot bigger than I thought, but we'll see. And here is the Porsche chassis. The car without the wheels on. Without my glasses on, I thought the writing on the bottom here was going to say Porsche, but it actually says Playmobil, which was a nice little touch. The Porsche logo is right there on the front of the hood. The Carrera GT emblem is printed right on the back. I love this car. Chassis.
Hey dude.
Oh, hey. Look everyone, it's the clicky that came with this set.
You're standing a little too close to my car.
Yeah, I am.
Do you mind backing up a little bit?
Yeah, sure.
Just a little bit more?
Okay.
A little more?
I mean, this is a little ridiculous.
Well, it's just that I worked really hard to get this, and I really want to take care of it as best I can, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I get it. I don't want anything to happen to it either.
So, how about I take over? I'll do the rest of the show.
Well, I mean,
Let's put on the wheels, baby.
Here's the bag of mirrors. Why we got 4 mirrors, I'll never know.
Why we got 4 mirrors, I'll never know.
Man, this looks great, but we're not done yet. We still have these pieces. I mistook them for the mirrors. They're not the mirrors. Oh man, so close.
Let's get that steering wheel in.
There's one thing I've noticed about this one is that the canopy is a little difficult to take off. It's not something that just pops right on and off. You actually have to put in a little effort to get the thing to remove itself. Here's our interior shot, and this is where the steering wheel will go in. As you can see, it's just a hole. And there it is. And finally, we have the spoiler piece. Is it in? Here we go. Man, that looks so good.
Smell you later, suckers.
Yep, I'm not sure I like that guy. The Playmobil Porsche Carrera GT is a fantastic addition to any collection. It is truly impressive how Playmobil managed to capture the iconic sleek silhouette of such a legendary supercar while maintaining that signature durable aesthetic. It's the perfect blend of a high-performance automotive icon and the charm of the Playmobil design. It definitely stands out as one of their more sophisticated vehicle releases recently. And you know something? To top it off, I absolutely love the color. You know, I did notice one thing a little bit off about this car. Seems we have one light that's red and another one that's got white in the middle. I wonder if this is supposed to be a signal. But even if it is, why would they leave it like that? Either way, I'm not complaining too bad. I like it just the way it is. In case you guys are wondering, there is still another sticker left. This is actually an alternate sticker for the license plate. Here it is beside the Volkswagen van that we did an unboxing for not too long ago. Looks fantastic, and I'm so glad to have a yellow car instead of something blue or green. But that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give us a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe for more Playmobil content. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram. Check us out at playmo.af. Until the next episode, everybody, take care of yourselves. Thanks a lot for watching, and have a great day. We'll see you next time right here on PlaymoAF. Bye-bye.